Hello. How are you? Hope you're doing well. All right. Today we are going to do our asynchronous Wednesday assignments. You will notice that it's in the front of your class when you look. This is my demo class for all my checking assignments. So you'll notice it's here. You can click on your assignment here, or you can actually go into the class, click on it under upcoming. It's there as well. Or if you go into classwork, under today's assignments, it'll be there as well. So you're going to click on social justice cartoon analysis. And then our instructions are to watch the video of me explaining today's assignment, what you're doing. Click on the Nearpod assignment, which is on the bottom here. Click sign in with Google. Click on the picture to make it bigger if you need to in the assignment. Answer in complete sentences either by recording your voice or typing your answer. And then when you're done, you're going to mark as done. So sign in. I'm going to log in with Google. It's going to ask you which Google account you want to log in with. You're going to say your NEA Academy account. So you're going to click on that. I have to click on another account because it's my demo. Say yes, is this you? Is this your picture? You'll say yes. Yours might also prompt you to put in a name. So you just type in your full name. All right, so this says 9:30, Wednesday in social studies cartoon analysis. If you want to listen to this, you can. Says the same thing. Says it to you. Speaks it to you. And then you could just go back if you want to hear it yourself. All right, then you'll hit the blue button here. So your first question says, examine the picture. Answer the questions 1 and 2 in complete sentences. In your own words, what do you think equality means? Number 2 says, do you think giving each person in the picture the same box is fair? And then explain your answer, explain your thinking. So if you are not sure what all these words mean, you can listen to the question here just by clicking on this little box with the microphone or the sound. And then you click play on the bottom. You can click on this reading book here. If you want to listen to it in Spanish, you can come down, click Spanish, click whole document, and then it'll play it in Spanish. If you want, you can do it by the word and just click on the word and it gives you a picture. It's in both Spanish and English. Sometimes it gives you a picture, sometimes it does not. Okay. So once you're done that, once you've listened to it, you can then click this back arrow key and then type in your answer. If you want to type in your answer, you could say equality means, and then your definition of equality. You'll notice in the word equality, the word equal is there. So if you can't see the picture, you can click on the picture to make it larger. So you're going to explain what equality means. And then the second question says, do you think the fact that each person has the same size box, is that fair? So do you think the fact that everyone is standing on the same size box, is that fair? So you're going to, you say, I think giving each person the same box is fair or is not fair. And then why? Explain. If you don't want to type, don't type. You can, sorry, I didn't click on this one. You can record it here on the bottom. You could just click on the little microphone and say, equality means, your definition. I think giving each person the same box is fair because, and then give your answer. And then you're done, hit the stop button. You can listen to it by dragging it back, press the play button. You can, if you don't like it, you can trash it and then redo it, record the audio. Equality means, and then blah, 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 and then explain your thinking, give your answers, and then hit the stop button. And then when you're all done, this question, hit submit on the bottom here. I'll take you to the next question. So this says examine both pictures here. Answer both questions 1 and 2 in complete sentences. What is the difference between picture A and picture B? So here we are. So here's picture A where they're all in the same boxes. Here in picture A, and then here's picture B. So you're telling me what is the difference between these two pictures. And then number 2 says, which picture situation do you think is most fair? Which one do you think is equal for everybody? So you'll say, I think picture A is fair, or I think picture B is fair, and then why you think it is. And then looking at these two pictures, what do you think is the difference between equality and equity? And it says, hint, look at the boxes. So what's the difference between the word equality between picture A and picture B? What do you think the definition difference is? And it says, look at the boxes here. So here are the boxes. Here are the boxes. So again, you can type your answer, or you can record your answer here. And again, if you want to listen to it in English, you can listen to the question in English by pressing play on the bottom. If you want to listen to it in Spanish, just click on the book, choose the language, go down to Spanish. Sorry. Go down to Spanish. You can say whole document. It'll change the whole document. If you just want the word, you just click on it. It'll give you the Spanish and the English. And then you could just play it like that. All right, and once you're done, you're gonna hit submit. Make sure you type in all of your answers for 3 questions. And then you're gonna hit submit on the bottom. Once you've answered all 3 questions, hit submit. It's gonna take you to the next question. Examine the picture, answer both the questions in complete sentences. Number 1 says, how did this picture differ from the others you examined last week's slide? Like the pictures we looked at last week for social justice. And if you're not sure, you can go back into Google Classroom and then look at last week's social justice. So if I go to my first period just to show you, it says it right here. You can just click on it and then you can open it that way. And then you could see the assignment. If you didn't do the assignment, you can do the assignment now and click turn in. Sorry. All right, so you look at last week's pictures, which dealt with like protests and Black Lives Matters and cops and other things such as that. And then why do you think the artist took away the fence? So you can click on the picture, you'll notice there's no fence. So how does this picture differ from last week's picture? Why is this different? How is this different? And then why do you think the artist took the fence away? So again, you can listen to it, listen to the question here. You can change the language to Spanish if that helps you. You can change it just by the word, or you can change it by the whole document and listen to it in Spanish. You can change it by the word and just click on this, and it gives you both the Spanish and English version. Sometimes it gives you pictures, sometimes it does not. And then once you're done listening, you can go back, click on the picture to make it bigger so you can see what's going on. If ever this is down, no, that's not even down. All right, you can record your answer by clicking on record audio, or you can type your answer. And this picture is different than last week's because, and then I think the artist took the fence away because, and then just your opinion. You can't be wrong in your opinion. And once you're done, you're gonna hit submit. And then you're all done. You'll come back into Google Classroom. And then you'll mark it as done. Okay? And you're all done. If you're missing assignments in Google Classroom, you can just click on, if you're missing assignments in PowerSchool, you can click on to review. You can click my class, and it'll tell you everything you turned in, everything that you were assigned, and everything that was graded. So if this says turned in and it says 0, that means I didn't get it. And then if it's graded, it means your grade should be in Google Classroom and PowerSchool. And the names match up here in PowerSchool. So like today's assignment in PowerSchool will say 9:30 social justice cartoon analysis. So check here, make sure, maybe you did an assignment, you just didn't turn it in. It'll go back to the assignment, click mark as done, and then I'll get the notification that you completed it. All right, hope that helps. I'll be on Zoom all day, so if you have any problems, you can connect with me on Zoom, and I will gladly assist you in any way that I can. All right, have a good day.